Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video we will learn how to host your game on Facebook. Right now I have game that host on the Infinity free PHP hosting server. You can upload your PHP file on this Infinity free. Okay, Infinity free I already used, and this is good, you can use it. And now the game is like this, and without further ado, let's go to developers.facebook and then click my app and then click app, and give your app name, for instance BNBN, then click next. This is just a dummy, and then click launch an instant game on Facebook Messenger here, and then click next. And then I don't want to connect a business portfolio yet, then click next, and then click next again, and then click that. We just want to show you how the protocol to the create game using dummy file, so later you can repeat the protocol to create the actual game. So then click customize the launch an instant game on Facebook and Messenger use case. My goal is to create a global game, so the game that you can use worldwide. So click web hosting here, so then click upload version. Now we want to upload two mandatory file. This is the two file that are mandatory, the index.html and the fbf-config.json. We need to click these two mandatory file and then right click send to, and then click compressed folder. But before we did that, let's discuss about the data inside the JSON or the script. Now click edit. You see we need to define mandatory key, that is instant games orientation, start dash URL, and navigation dash menu dash version, and value you need to make sure the same with your setting. For instance, orientation, my setting is portrait, so I need to define that as portrait. What I mean the setting is your app setting in your Google on your Facebook instant game setting on the Facebook website. Let's go back again. Now let's see the index. Right click and click edit with notepad, and your HTML file you need to have this script. Otherwise your index.html will be rejected by the Facebook. And after you define those two mandatory files, let's now zip those two files. So first thing, we need to pretend this is gone, and then click yes, and then click both file, and then click right click and click send to, and then click compressed folder, and then click again the compressed folder and press F2 and backspace and type game. So now you have the zip folder named game, and this will be uploaded to Facebook game. Then choose file on your device, click the game, then click upload. Now the version upload successfully. This is the game that you just uploaded, and there's 5 action you can do upon that, and you can play. And this is the first part of our journey, so we will continue to the second journey. Thank you.